Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be just showing the progress of the Mark IV Caddy Swamper conversion. So at the moment I'm in the process of doing the insulation. So I put the recycled bottle plastic behind this thermo wrap, and then put thermo wrap on top. We put recycled bottle plastic all inside here, put some up in the cab as well, and then down the sides. You can see we're just in the process of doing that. The reason I put these panels back on is because if anything goes wrong with the wiring, I want to be able to access it. So my plan is to put cladding up here like we did on the other van, but I'm going to build like a bit of a hinge door, so if any mechanics or anything need to get to lighting, they can get access to it. I know a lot of people don't do that, but I'm thinking of keeping this van for quite a while, and so if anything does go wrong to electrics, I don't want to have to cut all the cladding out and just ruin everything. So I want to be able to get access and get through to it. So plans going forward, obviously going to add the bulkhead trim onto there, which we're going to carpet on both sides. Then we got the rear archway, going to carpet around that as well. And then obviously we're going to put cladding on the ceiling and then down the sides as well, so that's really nice. In terms of lighting, I'm always going to do LED spotlights because I've got all this wiring here, as you can see, all these cables for the roof. But then I have actually got this light already wired in, so this runs off the circuit when you open your doors, but this has got a switch onto it, so that's a really good nice light. So I'm going to attach that to the ceiling somewhere once the cladding is done. That's going to be more than enough light that we're going to need. So I'm not going to put any spotlights in or LEDs or anything like that, because obviously if it's on the circuit when you open the doors, you don't want the lights coming on the middle of the night because it's just really annoying. So that way I can just turn that light on and off. Obviously I've got a battery isolator, so the battery's not going to go flat, and I didn't want to put a leisure battery in because of just the cost and the time of doing that is just no need. And a lot of people do have problems with leisure batteries. They always lose their charge and things always go wrong, and it's so expensive. Now I've got the power stations, you just don't need leisure batteries, so it's just no need for them really. We have also got this 12 volt here as well, so that's going to be ideal for charging things. A 12 volt on the side there, so that'll be, I'll take that off the wall, put the cladding on, then put that back on, so I have 12 volt at the back of the van, which is going to be really good. So plans going forward on the design of the van, I'm going to have a bed down the side here. I'm going to have that so it'll be a single bed and also slide out to the end, but obviously going to have it on runners, so I can have a bit of a kitchen area that's going to slide out here, so that's really cool. And the clad the back of these doors as well, I should do the same with that one. Probably get the Van X curtains along here, which are really nice, the slidey curtains on the rails, so on that on both doors, which is really cool. Like I said, clad the panels there. So going forward on the ceiling as well, we're going to insulate all the ceilings, so I'm going to put the recycled bottle plastic up on the ceiling and then cover it in thermo wrap. I'm just waiting here because obviously we did have a fan on the roof and the previous owners sealed it up, but I'm just making sure that no water's come through before I cover that all up. It's all looking pretty dry in the rain, so it's all looking good, but if anyone's got any better ways of sealing that, please let me know in the comments. So the inside here in the interior, my plan is to take this base seat out and I'm going to get a swivel seat. So I don't know if they actually fit. I'm hoping that Coombe Valley Campers can help me. Then I get a swivel seat, so then when we're in the back here, obviously you can turn that seat around and that'd be really cool. But yeah, if you guys got any other ideas, let me know. So going forward to the outside of the van, I'm going to spray all the steel wheels gloss black, so that'll look really nice, and then I'm going to get the Van X wheel arch, plastic wheel arch covers to put on there as well, so that'll look really, really good. If there's any better wheel arch covers than Van X, that's the only ones I know, then let me know and get those as well. Like I said before, I'm going to get the bumpers sprayed, so I'm going to get that colour coded so it's blue. I'm going to have the blue strip coming down here as well in this bit, but then I'm going to keep these grills gloss black, and this will be gloss black, so the blue here coming down through, so I'll match. I'll probably get the wing mirrors gloss black as well, so that's really cool, so I'll just make it look really, really nice. And then on the back as well, I'll put the rear bumper as well, so that'll be color coded along there as well, so really nice. So there we go guys, that's my plans for the camper conversion. If you guys have got any better ideas or any companies suggest getting stuff from, you know, like mini fridges or the swivel base seat, just let me know in the comments below, or hit me up with those companies. It'd be great so I can get into contact with them and then see if I can buy those products from them. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.